Hi, my name's Jake. This is my second time doing forest bathing with Susan, and both times it was a great experience for two reasons really. Firstly, about how it made me feel, because I feel much more peaceful, present and connected, and have this blissful feeling that I just want to relax for the rest of the day, and it's really changed my state from before to after. Also, the things I'm noticing and what nature teaches us, we don't really pick up when we're just full of thoughts. So I noticed just so many things on all the different tasks that she gave us. The sounds, looking around, the feeling. Anyway, if you do it, you'll see all the different activities she gives you. But it just made me notice so many things about nature that I didn't notice before, and all the lessons that it teaches us. So I would really recommend it for anyone. And I'm probably going to come again sometime, and I'm going to try and do it more in my life, visit the forest and remember the things she said to connect more. So thanks, Susan.